How about substituting bulgur for rice? Well, if you want to see how I achieve this delicious pot of healthy rice substitute, keep on watching. Okay, here's a run through of our ingredients. We have coconut milk, canned black bean, a mixture of scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, and we're using garlic powder, all-purpose season, this one have pepper, yes, my favorite now, and we're using some beyond powder and a bit of salt. So here is our water boiling, and I'm going to add my black bean, my coconut milk. This is just as cooking rice and peas, and my fresh seasons, garlic, onion, scallion, thyme. I'm going to put some pepper. I don't have fresh pepper home, so I'm using this season that as pepper because I don't have fresh pepper home. So I'm just going to season this now, and this is very spicy, guys. When I use this, I don't need to use fresh pepper when I have it available. I'm also going to use some of the chicken flavor beyond season, and just a pat of salt, because you know all these season contain salt. Stir well. Oh, I forget, I'm going to add some garlic powder, even though I have had a lot of fresh garlic powder, but I'm putting some of the powdered. So just allow this to come to a good boiled, then we put our bulgur. This come to a boil. I'm going to wash my bulgur. I'm going to wash this and add it to my pot. And we have some fish frying. This is not a part of the video, but that's what making that noise. So wash bulgur. Lower your flame and cover your pot and allow this to simmer.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Stew fish, some steamed carrot and green peas mix, and fried plantain. Yes, and this is dinner, guys. Let's showcase our fish as well. Isn't this a nice presentation?
Possibilities, negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that say never and turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself.
So there you have it, guys. My healthy virgin for rice. Hope you guys enjoy this one. And if it's the first time coming on board, welcome. To my returning supporters, thank you guys for always coming back and checking out my videos. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.